Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Starting off this video off here at the house. Just got this package that came in. So yeah, this is what we got here. We got the TRD button from Bonobo products. Let's go ahead and open it up. Pretty well packaged in here. Oh, that feels nice. So this is the little product that we have. We're going to be installing it on the Camry, as you guys can see. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this. And yeah, as you guys read from the title, I spent a little too much on this. It was about 60 bucks, $58.99 whatever with shipping, which is pretty ridiculous, but I make little stupid purchases every now and then. But the quality on this, I gotta admit, it's pretty nice. But for a button being 60 bucks, I don't know. I'm obviously gonna be making like another fucking 50 horsepower on this. Alright, let's jump over to the car. Alright, so now we are currently in the Camry. So I guess I gotta tilt the steering wheel just a little bit, kind of maybe like half a turn, just so that the paddles kind of stay up and it gives me more access to the button. What do you guys think? I think it's gonna look pretty nice. Apparently this is the tool that we use, so I might have to pop out this little ring here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I finally figured out how to actually pull that ring out. This was not working, so yeah, this is what I'm using right now. It's an extra fine tip precision flathead. Just working it, making sure not to mar anything up. So I pretty much have it out at this point. And this ring will just come out. The little prongs here are gonna be inserting into the little holes here. Now I'm gonna use their tool here. That's kind of like a pick with a little hook here, right? I knew this wasn't gonna be easy, exactly, but it's worth a try. Okay, I think it hooked. Alright. Well, I actually got that on camera. Dang. Freaking tool kind of hurt my finger because there's like a needle sticking out from this thing. You can't really see it, but it's there. The button flew all the way over here. Literally. Things of projectiles, so make sure to wear goggles, kids. Here's the two side-by-side comparison, and as you guys can see, I already told you guys this is full aluminum. This one's just plastic. So let's go ahead and install it. It's gonna literally line up with the clips over here. So like I said, there's a specific way that this lines up, so it's pretty hard to get this mixed up. It's gotta be seated all the way though. So at this point, if I wanted to do a little extra, I would possibly even like smoke this out, black it out, whatever, paint it, but I'm not going to. One of the things that I was worried about when I got this product is, like, for example, right now I don't have a key fob, right? I took out the battery out. So if I go ahead and try to turn on the car, it's gonna say no key fob detected. Okay. And normally, when you have a dead battery, you can just go ahead and put it here and it should work, but if it doesn't, just gotta keep playing with it. So no battery again, and kind of just play with it just so that you turn on the car. There you go, and then you press the button and you got a functional car again, Camry. Let me know what you guys think. There's the button again, fully installed, and I think it matches the interior pretty well. I mean, it's pretty subtle as well. It's nothing like super flashy other than like the finish on it. So it's pretty red. But yeah, I think it looks pretty elegant. It goes with the rest of the interior, even though it's not a TRD, but you know, still nice. So if you guys want to see any more videos like this on the Camry, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think and what I should do next on the Camry. And I will see you guys next time.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ay.